I'm installing fog light on my Burgman 650. Kind of like adaptive fog light LED. When you turn corner, the light gonna turn with you. Right there, attach this. I took out the night reflector and modify that a little bit on both sides. Now I'm gonna run the wire up here with the switch. I'm gonna put it on my dashboard. Have to take all this rubber, all this plastic out. Here, run the wire through here. Just put through here to protect the wire from getting hot. Run through here, up through this hole right there. Then I'm gonna put an inline fuse here. Put it right there, hardwired to the battery. Also, you know, do have a secret plug light for this Suzuki. I'm tapping the second one right here into this, and I'm gonna run my cable charging for my GPS and my iPhone. Two different wire. Gonna go right in here and tie it right behind the plastic, and so we charge both of that. And I can have that free, that spot free. I can close that without having cable hanging here. It's gonna look nice and clean going through here. It's not that hard to take this out, the plastic. All right, I'll show you when I'm done. Just finished installing that light, fog light. It's coming white too, look. White and yellow, and then it's strobe. That's for daytime. Yes, it's legal to ride like that daytime here in Florida, as long as it's not red or blue. And it turns, so if I make a corner turn, it'll turn with it, so I can see at the corner, which is great. I ran those up here. Here's the light switch. Here's my charging cable that I run behind here, the plastic. Run behind here and tap into the existing cigarette plug right there.